Morning, folks. Todd from Walnut Ridge. It is Friday. Hadn't done a video here in a couple weeks. Uh, all been kind of busy here. We had the show, the Boat Sport and Travel show, a couple weeks ago. Uh, March the 1st, again, like I said, spring is right around the corner, spring break. People are getting their RVs out, storage, getting them ready to go. Wanted to touch base with you folks. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. I can't stress it enough. Bring it in if you can't do it yourself, or you don't know what you're looking at or to need to know on sealant wise. Uh, this unit here, the work's already done, but I just wanted to touch base with what's going on or what did go on. So it was due to a lack of maintenance, sealant around the slide fascia. So this has all been done. So it leaked behind this, dropped the slide fascia, was actually probably about down in this area. Then it got into the slide out floor. So we did have to obviously put a entire new slide out floor in there, redo all of the slide fascia. This unit is only about 3 years old. So just cannot stress enough. Just check your sealants around your slide out, slide fascias, around your compartment doors. Reseal as needed. If you see any gaps in the sealant, you can use just straight 100% clear silicone. Your belt rail molding, so that floor line molding, belt rail molding, same thing. So this is your floor line in your camper. So this runs all the way around. This termination molding runs all the way around your camper. Really need to check your sealants on that. Clean it, reseal everything. So speaking of sealant and maintenance, we are starting this month. So today we are starting specials over here at the service department. We are doing clean and condition special for the month on your roof. Quite a bit of savings. And we are also doing summarizing your camper with, and again, quite a bit of savings. So those are the two specials we're running this month at Walnut Ridge. So clean and condition special on the roof, and a summarize on your unit, which we clean your lines as well. So it's not just a de-winterizing all the antifreeze out of your lines. We we pump spring fresh through all your lines, clean everything out, new anode rod, drain plug, depending on what kind of water heater you have. So appointments are getting booked, and don't wait another couple weeks or that, because our schedule is starting to get kind of busy with spring right around the corner. So hope this helps. Have a great day.